I asked AI to give me a stir-fry recipe. And this is the result. First, we're going to chop up these babies. Wrestle with the chicken you rescued from the freezer because thorn is for mere mortals. Spice those babies up. Then I'm going to boil noodles in my pot that has definitely seen better days. Then I'll add the chicken into the biggest pan I have because I don't have a wok. Once the chicken is toasty, I'll add my veggies and we'll stir fry until they're good enough. Chop up some cucumber for garnish. We're done.
Nice.